Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create breakout rooms in Zoom to make your meetings more interactive and engaging. Stick around until the end to learn all the steps and tips to manage these rooms effectively. Let's dive in. First things first, open the Zoom app on your laptop and click on New Meeting button to start a meeting. Make sure that you are the host of the meeting to have full control over breakout rooms. Once the meeting starts, look at the bottom toolbar of the Zoom window and click on Apps icon in the toolbar. In the search bar on the right side, type Breakout and look for an app called Advanced Breakouts by Twins. Select this app and click Add to install it into your Zoom. After adding the app, you will need to allow access for this to integrate with your Zoom account. And once the access is granted, the app will be ready to use. And once this app is installed and integrated in your Zoom, on the right side of your screen, you can see the option Create a Breakout. Click on it and then tap on Get Started. After that, you will land on screen like this. Here you can see Launch option in the bottom right corner. Click on it. Now a setup window will appear, so choose the number of rooms you want to create. And then select the group size and then click on Join. And now you can see with that the rooms are created. Participants will be notified and automatically directed to their assigned breakout rooms. You can join any breakout room by clicking Join next to the room name. And you can also send messages to all the participants in the breakout room by broadcasting a message. And when the breakout session are over, click on Close All Rooms. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.